Hello, my name is Daria Chuprys. I'm the founder of the DARCASE, and today I want to review the features of the case and to see how we can use it in the best possible way. So, first of all, the case has the secure lock. In order to open it, you need to push the button down, and then it's include the LED mirror, which is on magnets, and you attach it to the door. And also it comes with a strap that is designed to put it on your shoulder, or I'm going to share another tip how you can put it on your travel case later. So let's check inside and how we can utilize the space in the best possible way. I'm going to lighten the mirror, and then we have these detachable boxes where you can put your eyeshadow, your lipstick, like smaller products, very convenient. And then also it has like a big box where you can put your bigger palettes or your setting powders, your creams, so like they're taller and they can fit perfectly here. Also, it has this smaller box where you can put your brushes. Very cute, very nice. When you have it as your home station, you can have these boxes separately, like next to your case, so you can have even more products and can use it easier every day. So now let's review what's behind the door. This is our biggest and most proud moment of the case development. That's nothing like this existed in the market. It has this hidden door, which a lot of people, they don't even know how to open it. It's kind of hard. So what you need to do, you push it and the door opens. So let's review inside the jewelry section. We have this hangers where you can put your necklaces, and I specially designed this bigger one that you can put your choker, for example, and then you can hang your necklaces here and chains. Everything is on magnets. We have this nice earring section where you can put a lot of earring sets and easily put it on the magnet back. And then we also have this padded ring bar that you can put your rings and also put it on the magnets. And then another feature that I want to talk about is this detachable pouch where you can put your finer, bigger jewelry pieces, your bracelets or your watches. It has two sections to separate so they don't scratch each other. And it's very cool on magnets, easy to install and put together. This is a very special area. I put all my soul and heart to designing in a very unique way where you can showcase beautifully your pieces, and at the same time they stay very secure and very durable during the traveling. To lock your jewelry door, you push it back. On the side here we have the switches and adjusting for the light. You can adjust the brightness, and also you can switch it off, and you lock it by pushing the button and to hear the click to make sure it's secured. And another important thing that I want to show you is how to reset your lock. So it comes in with a setting of 3 zeros, but to change your combination, you need to hold down the button and by holding down the button, you change the numbers that you want, and then to save the numbers, you just release it. So now we change a little bit the combination. It's unlocking, locking. If I change the number, it's remaining closed. So you need to change to the number that you chose, and it's gonna unlock easily. And now I want to show you the strap that you can put it on your shoulder when moving around. And then the last feature that I want to show is how to travel in an easy way, because it's very durable it's a little bit heavy. It's gonna be for sure difficult to move around the airport with it. So my suggestion is to put it on the carry-on. The strap has so many holes, so you can easily bring it and tie it up to your carry-on in an easy way. So it's very stable, it's very secure this way, and it's very easy to navigate the airport and to roll it this way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy your case as much as I do. And while traveling and also at home as your home station, we put attention to every detail, and it's been in manufacturing for over 5 years. So please enjoy it, and thank you so much.